So the Sphero requires an app to use, so you will need a smartphone or some kind of smart device that can handle that. There are two apps. There's the Sphero Play and Sphero EDU apps. So the Sphero Play app is really good for just kind of playing around, playing games with the Sphero. It's a really nice introduction. The Sphero EDU app can do a lot of the same things that the Sphero Play app can do, but it's also got a lot of extra features that can help you learn about things like robotics and programming. So those are both, so you can kind of pick which app you want to use based on that. So I have the Sphero EDU app on my phone, and I'm gonna bring up the drive function. It's gonna ask me to connect to the Sphero. So I go ahead and connect, and you see that it lit up. And so now I have control of the Sphero. I can tell it what color to be even, or what color the light should be. Come on now. There you go. So I'm gonna pick that one because I like that color. Or I guess it'll just do what it wants. That's all right too. And I can actually change the color as well to whatever I would like it to be from the drive screen. And then I'm actually gonna drive it around a little bit. It definitely drives better on carpet than it does on harder surfaces. So it is a little bit challenging, especially here. And I'm really just trying to get it to hit the oh good. It almost went on the floor there. There we go, finally got a couple of those bowling pins. So yeah, it's a very fun little thing to play with. It's a great introduction to programming and robotics, as I said earlier. If it doesn't work when you get it the first time, then it probably just needs its battery charge. So to do that, you can just pop open the outer shell to get at the actual little robot inside. And then there's a charging port on the back. So you just plug the charging cable in, and then plug the charging cable into the wall like you would for your phone or any other smart device. And that is pretty much the Sphero kit. Thanks for watching. And if you want any more information, you can go to jmrl.org to find more information on this kit and other really cool kits that we have available. Thanks for watching.